there is a kind of convergence with the biggest festival that we have, which is Diwali, and IPL, which used to be the April-May phenomena, coming together with that festival. And that is going to mean something which is really dramatic and really big. However, if you were to look at, not really cricket in India or sport in India, but take a step back and see what's happened with the England-West Indies, series in England currently. It seems that there was a survey that says that BBC and Sky saw close to a 10% jump in terms of viewership over the 19 Ashes. And the 19 Ashes, as we all know, was very, very significant in terms of viewership. So what you are saying actually has already happened to a limited extent with the English West Indies series. However, taken this, what does it mean from a team owner's perspective, Mustafa?
No, I mean, I totally mirror the sentiments of Gautam and Vineet, that everyone has been itching for the IPL to come about. It's going to be the first live sport event that we will see in India. While, yes, everyone has been starved and watching Premier League and England, West Indies and Korean football and Aussie rules and whatever else they can get their hands on. Nothing compares to the IPL. From my father-in-law to my driver, everyone is just waiting. When is it going to start, and when do they have something fixed to do from 7:30 till 11, 12 o'clock for the next 50 days? So it is a very, very special sporting event and extravaganza that the entire nation is working and waiting for. From our perspective, I mean, it's been the same. The ops team, the players, the coaches, they've all been itching. We were pretty much a week or 10 days away from preseason when we went into lockdown in March. So flights were booked, visas were done, everything was in place, and then we had to pull the plug. So they've all been itching. Even literally now, we are 1 day away from getting out of our 7-day isolation period. And the boys are just itching. They're literally like padding up in their rooms and getting a feel of what it is to hold a bat and hold a ball. So, it's as much as we've all done trying to keep them healthy and fit and strong, training in their backyards and in their living rooms. Nothing compares to being out on the pitch and out in the field. So I think that's the biggest thing for all of us, to see them back out there, get ready, get fit for the first ball of the season. And yes, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. The biggest thing about the IPL is the atmosphere in the stadium. It's something else, and all of us have experienced it to know that it's probably, I mean, comparable to some of the biggest football games in the world. But other than that, there's very little that comes close. Especially in cricket, nothing else comes close. So the emptiness of the stadium is definitely going to be a bit of a dampener, and something that maybe Gautam and team have some tricks up their sleeves. But that's something that we'll all have to live with. But I think the toss-up of that versus no sport at all, it's a no-brainer. And from our perspective, just itching and eager to get